Upload it.
Is it going then?
It is now going. The Pokemon unboxing video of the century, where we got a whole box for the price of one pack.
Shut up. Just shush.
Is now in progress.
So we're opening a box. The recording messed up. Electivire EX was got an Electivire EX out of the first box, and a Team. No, that's the wrong one. Team Rocket Smuck. Next pack is another one. The Cynthia and Garchomp art, and oh god. We have Team Rocket's Nidoran, Team Rocket's Houndour, Steven's Beldum, Team Rocket's Chingling, Ethan's Adventure, Abomasnow, Team Rocket's Weezing, Fomantis. Oh! That's a full art, 1 gold star Kangaskhan. That is not bad.
Oh.
So that's 2 cards in 2 succession. Where did I put the Electivire? And so that's that. Next pack now is the Moltres art. And we are going to get Ethan's Slugma, Meditite, Wash Rotom, MC's Hype, sorry if I pronounced that wrong, Team Rocket's Botherbot, Cynthia's Milotic, Team Rocket's Factory, Ethan's Pseudo-Udo, Granite's Cave, and Arvin's Greedent. And just the energies and next pack is the is the Cynthia and Garchomp. This is very annoying to go into. Cynthia and Garchomp art, and we're going to get a Taurus, Marnie's Morpeko, Team Rocket's Larvitar, Team Rocket's Blipbug, Cynthia's Powerweight, Team Rocket's Muck, Arcanine, Marnie's Scraggy, Buizel, and Cynthia's Garchomp EX. It's not that bad. Not that bad at all. Right, that's 3 cards now in 4 packs. This is looking well. Though no sign of the Electivire. Don't know where that went. It's probably in the pile. Next pack we have Kangaskhan, Team Rocket's Drowsy, Ethan's Cyndaquil, Team Rocket's Zubat, Granite Cave, Team Rocket's Ampharos, Cornerstone Mask Ogerpon, Mudsdale, Ethan's Adventure, Zoro, and that's that pack. Next is Mewtwo and Giovanni. Hopefully whether Giovanni's Mewtwo, or, well, Team Rocket's Mewtwo, don't know what that's called after this pack, that would be nice. We have Citodle, Marmie's Purrloin, Team Rocket's Mareep, Ethan's Slugma, Team Rocket's Giovanni, Cynthia's Spiritomb, Fortress, Electrike. Oh my god! Oh my days! Cynthia's Garchomp EX Secret Art. That is the prize pull. There's no way. Next pack is Team Rocket art. That's upside down. We have a Nosepass, Team Rocket's Raticates, Arrokuda, Arvin's Mastiff, Team Rocket's Great Ball, Marnie's Lipid, Huntail, Team Rocket's Zubat, Team Rocket's Orbeetle, and a Gorybis. That's weird. 2 fractured evolution lines from 1 pack. Odd. Okay. Alright. It's annoying with these packs like this. This is a Cynthia and Garchomp art. If we get another Cynthia Garchomp EX, I'm going to be very surprised. We have a Yanma, Cynthia's Gibble, Pineco, Clampearl, Stephen's Claydol, Lotzel, Team Rocket's Ariana, Nosepass, Stephen's Skarmory, and a Crustle. Next pack, we have a Ho-Oh art yet again. Getting to feel like I shouldn't be saying what art there is on the pack because it's getting a bit boring. So now we have Dolive, Cynthia's Gabite, Ethan's Quilava, Team Rocket's Nidorina, Ethan's Pinsir, Sacred Ash, Team Rocket's Hypno, Shroomish, Squawkabilly, and a Yanmega EX.
Wow.
That's quite a few now. It's truly going up.
How many left?
God knows. Not really bothered on that part right now. Don't have to focus in on that. Next pack, I didn't, no, whatever. Ponyta, Mommy's Scraggy, Mudbray, Breloom, Team Rocket's Hound, Energy Recycler, Team Rocket's Murkrow, Marnie's Morgem, Misty Staryu, and Team Rocket's Wobbuffet. Irresistible urge of Wobbuffet. God, I'm gonna get back problems from sitting like this. Next is Stephen's Baltoy, Ethan's Pseudo-Dudo, Arvin's Squobet, Team Rocket's Nidoran. That was Nidoran, I think, or Arena. Team Rocket's Arbok, Spike with Jim, Mudgedale, Team Rocket's Great Ball, and a full art Cynthia's Rose Raid. This is getting a bit ridiculous now. And then Ethan's Typhlosion Hollow. This is really getting a bit odd. Hey, don't stand on it. Next pack. Hooray. Joys of Joy. Over. Hippopotas. Team Rocket's Ekans. Combuskin. Burstuda. Team Rocket's Watchtower. Medjam. Ponyta. Team Rocket's Mareep. Yep, it's Mareep. Team Rocket's Spidops. Don't think Team Rocket had a Spidops. Unless that's something that was introduced in Ultimate. No. Okay, fine. Hello. We have Moroton, Growlithe, Swellow, my favourite, Electabuzz, Team Rocket's Orbeetle, Team Rocket's Proton, Stephen's Vitang, Lurantis, Team Rocket's Wobbuffet number 2, and it's a Titan EX. This really is getting ridiculous. There's 5 packs left now. And we have a Mewtwo and Giovanni. Hopefully this gives us Mewtwo's Giovanni EX Secret Art. That'd be nice. Team Rocket's Chingling, Romantis, Squawkabilly, Cynthia's Rosalia, Lurantis, Team Rocket's Transceiver, Team Rocket's Nidoqueen, Team Rocket's Arbok, Barraskewda, and Team Rocket's Moltres EX with a dramatic voice. Right, put them on the pile of ever-growing rare cards. Well, decent, good, very good. And now, final four. This is a Moltres, or is it Ho-Oh? Ho-Oh. This is a Ho-Oh Arts pack. Being really annoying to get into, so it must have something good. Not, we could get an F in the comment section. Shroomish, Steven Skarmory, Arven's Toad School, Team Rocket's Coughing, Lapidage, Marnie's Scrafty, TM Machine, everyone wants a TM Machine, Mankey, Judge, Team Rocket's Moltres EX. That's a secret art, I do believe. No? Hang on. No, that's just the full art, but that is still very nice. Now we have two. And then we can get a secret art from this Garchomp and Cynthia pack, which would be very nice to complete the collection. Team Rocket's Meowth, Dwebble, Ethan's Cyndaquil, Arven's Maelstrom, Manectric, Team Rocket's Factory, Cornerstone Ogerpon, Pineco, Skarmory, and a Hydrapple. F is in the chat for no good Pokemon card, really, in that. That's really messy. Right, now we have a Team Rocket Arts pack. This should get some nice, should read through all the Team Rocket and have nothing else than Team Rocket cards. Hopefully some good ones too. Cynthia's Roselia, Team Rocket's Porygon, Heat Rotom, Marnie's Impidimp, Team Rocket's Nidoqueen, Arven's Sandwich, Misty's Starmie, Cynthia's Spiritomb, Team Rocket's Chingling, Blaziken, and yeah. Right, last pack of the box is the Mewtwo and Giovanni. Hopefully we have something good in this. And we've already got quite enough, but it'll be nice to get another. Right, we start off with Cynthia's Feebas, Team Rocket's Doppler, Applin, Team Rocket's Zubat, Misty's Psyduck, Team Rocket's Botherbot, Hearthflame Mask Ogerpon, sorry if I'm saying that wrong, Hippopotas, Team Rocket's Raticate, and Team Rocket's Articuno. They have a lot of legendaries. That is it for this episode. Probably never any going to come ever again in the entire existence of ever. And so yeah, please like and subscribe. Bye.